All right. This ain't it.
Oh, I love it, the way you clap back when you move. Ain't nobody in here with that body, nobody but you. Nobody but you, yeah, yeah, yeah. Nobody but you, yeah, yeah, yeah. Ain't nobody in here with that body, nobody but you.
What's good, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. So I was just laying down and thinking, I want to do a hair tutorial. Like, in the back of my head, I was pushing the hair tutorials off for another couple of months. I was still gonna do hair videos, but they just weren't gonna be tutorials on certain looks. But out of nowhere, I just got in the mood to do a hair tutorial. But I felt like I already did some of everything, so I was thinking and thinking, and I was like, let me fix my ass something to eat. I thought of Bantu knots. I've never done Bantu knots in my life. I never really wanted to try Bantu knots just because they seem really complicated. I watched some videos. Bantu knots seem, I mean, you just twist your hair and then you knot it up. I'm stepping a little bit out of my comfort zone. I've already washed my hair and I just had the top of it kind of pulled back so it wasn't in my face. The common theme I noticed was people was doing these Bantu knots on like stretched, dried hair, but I don't have the time for that. So I'm just gonna do this on my wet hair. I'm gonna take some gel. I was looking for products that I knew would dry my hair very quickly. And I think what I'm gonna do is do these and then let them sit overnight and get back at y'all the next day. Oh, and this is not a microfiber towel, so you can come for my neck in the comments if y'all want, but I'm warning y'all, I can be pretty disrespectful. Okay, so I'm using this Garnier Fruit Tea Strengthening 1 Minute Hair Treatment Mask. Now they have like, I think 6 of them. I've tried the goji berry one and the coconut one and now this one, and this one so far is my favorite just because of the way it smells. Like, it smells like some vanilla cake batter. Like, you know when you mix the cake batter all up together before you put it in the pan for it to bake? That's the vibe I was getting. Like, it smells so good. Like, I got this yesterday and I just can't stop smelling it. And y'all, this isn't a sponsored video or anything, but y'all should really hop on these 1 minute hair masks. They're a vegan formula, no silicones, no parabens, no colorants, so you know. So I have this much. Did not mean to do that. My hands are so slippery. All right, so next up I'm using this Diva Curl Archangel gel. Honestly, y'all, the light defining gel, it's better than this one. I really haven't been using the gels from Diva Curl recently just because it's getting humid and I'd hate to use these really expensive gels just for my hair to frizz up after like a day. All right, y'all, I'm kind of scared. Not because of the fact that I'm doing Bantu knots, but because what if I put in all this work and I do these Bantu knots and it turns out like shit? I mean, I guess that would really fit the theme because I kind of look like shit. Y'all remember when I'll pop up on camera looking all good and shit? Now I just be looking like, you know, who did it, when, and why? Like, I just look so busted on camera. All right, y'all, so for those that are following along, I think I'm gonna bring the camera just a little bit closer so y'all can kind of like see the deets. See the details of what I'm doing, as if I really know what I'm doing. All right, y'all, I'll turn autofocus on just so it'll be a little bit easier showing you what I'm doing. So if it goes in and out of focus, y'all will know why. So based off the videos I saw, you basically just twist your hair. I guess that's a Bantu knot. Y'all, I just did my first Bantu knot. And it looks like shit, kinda. Let me show you what I did. All right, so I'm just finger detangling the section. So I'm just gonna split this up and then just twist it. I'm taking the hair and just pinching it, and I'm gonna bring it around itself. Oh my gosh, this takes so much concentration. That looks like a doo-doo knot, bro. Am I even doing this right? I guess this looks weird because it's wet, I don't know, but that's how I did it, y'all. And I'm just gonna take a small rubber band just to secure it because I know my hair would unravel, I just know. Y'all, I don't really know what to think of this. I guess mine looks so weird because A, it's my first time doing them. and B, my hair is wet. I looked up videos after I got done with mine, and people were doing 90% of the videos I watched, people were doing them when their hair was semi-dry. But because my hair is so thick, I know these are gonna take forever to dry, so I'm going to let these dry probably overnight. It is, what time is it? 3:18, so I'll probably just rock these in the house, and then like the next day, let y'all see how things are looking, and I'm gonna take these bitches out. All right, y'all, it is the next day, and I look crazy, but based off the videos I saw, you just unravel these Bantu knots, and the results is supposed to be like spirally curls. I don't know about all that, but okay, so all the knots are out, and I kind of like don't know where to go next, but I think the curls, they're really defined. They're really defined, so let me bring the camera closer just so y'all can see. All right, these are the curls that I'm left with. So they're really defined and they're really springy. Y'all, I kind of have a feeling that these are gonna frizz up as I'm separating them. Okay, y'all, so I just undid all the Bantu knots in my hair. And I mean, the curls are really defined and springy, but what the fuck is this? And then like the other really funny thing is like the center of my head, it's flat. What the fuck is this? Because of how I did them, but I think I can fix that. But y'all, this is looking kind of, what the fuck is this? Crazy. I'm gonna go off camera and I don't know, just like, what the fuck is this? Pick it out, do something to it, make it look a little bit more natural, because it looks like I'm balding in like the middle of my head right now. All right,
what the fuck is this?
This ain't it. Like, it kind of looks like frizzy 3A hair, 3B hair, I guess. I just don't know, y'all. And like, thinking about it now, I don't even know why I did this. Like, I'm contemplating life right now. Yeah, so I just went and pulled this up into a puff like I was probably gonna do anyway. Comment down below, comment like some other stuff that I should do that I haven't done on my channel before. It's a no from me. The curls were just, they were too spirally. They were, I couldn't really do much with it. And maybe it's because of the way that I did the Bantu knots, but comment down below what I did right, what I did wrong. Not that it'll make a difference because I'm probably not doing this again, but hey. Give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell. Also, if you guys want to keep up with me outside of YouTube, all of my social media, it's in the description box below. But yeah, thanks for watching this fail, I guess. And yeah, I will see y'all in my next video.